Hello everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. In Japan, plum blossoms are blooming. I feel spring is coming around the corner. So today, we're going to make seasonal sushi called Chirashi-Zushi. We eat Chirashi-Zushi for Hinamatsuri, doll festival in Japan. This sushi reminds me of my youthful days. When I was a child, my family and I went to our grandparents' house and celebrated this event with our relatives. And always this Chirashi-Zushi was the main, and it brightened up the mood. So this is a special dish for me. And since I'm a mother now, so it's my turn to make this Chirashi-Zushi for my daughter Sui-chan. However, Sui-chan is still 1 year old, so she cannot eat raw fish. So I'll make kids version Chirashi-Zushi today as well. It may be a blockbuster video, but I hope you enjoy watching until the end. And as always, our helpers, Mario and Luigi, will be joining and cook with us. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Chirashi-Zushi is done, so let's try tasting. I serve it in a bowl. And I like to eat with a little bit soy sauce. So I spray soy sauce over the Chirashi-Zushi. Just a little bit. Itadakimasu. Big salmon. Salmon is very fresh. And same as tuna. And salmon rolls brushes, sometimes in my mouth. The texture of lotus root and pickled ginger are especially accentuated. I recommend to add pickled ginger. The recipe is in my another video, so please check it out. And thinly sliced egg. I feel like various ingredients and seasonings meet in my mouth and creating a new flavor. It's like a party. This is a dish that you make feel grateful for the effort you put into it. And for the kids version, children love noodles, so she enjoyed eating thinly sliced Japanese omelets. And each pieces are cooked and easy to bite, so it's perfect for a kids meal. ごちそうさまでした。So here are my tips of today's menu. Tip: when you make vinegared rice, mix it like cutting it. Don't mash. Please image mix to let it air in it. And tip: in a sense that is easy to grasp, it might be good to make a Japanese omelette and cut into small pieces. And tip: children under 3 years old, it's not recommended to eat raw fish. So please make sure to cook fish. So those are the tips. How about making this seasonal sushi and celebrate Japanese style dough festival this year? If you create this recipe, please show us. So in this case, please hashtag YUCa's Japanese Cooking on Instagram. I'm looking forward to your style decoration from all over the world. Thank you so much for watching. And be sure to hit the like button. It helps the video out. Here's Sui-chan! Let's celebrate dough festival Hinamatsuri this year. Last year, she was so small and couldn't understand the Hinamatsuri at all. So everyone, have a great weekend and weekdays. Bye bye!